Hi everyone, welcome to my cooking channel. I'm going to share with you how to cook one of my favorite dishes, sauteed bakchoy and spinach. Let's get started. First of all, we need some ingredients. We need bakchoy. We also need some baby spinach leaves. And then a little bit of ginger, 1 clove of garlic. We also need salt and pepper. This is actually roasted garlic and pepper, very nice. If you don't have this, you can just use a regular pepper. Sesame oil, my favorite. Salt, mirin, light soy sauce, and olive oil. We need to just split the bakchoy first, and then after that we have to wash it. Same with the spinach as well. Alright, I have now washed my bakchoy as well as the baby spinach leaves. We're ready to go to the next step. Just cut the end of this bakchoy just to make sure that they all look nice, especially if it's dirty and you cannot take it off. Just cut it. If the slices are too small, you actually don't need to cut that much. Here, I usually have a bowl just to put all the rubbish here, so it's easier to clean later on. The ginger, you need to peel it a little bit. Put it in the rubbish bowl. Make sure that you peel it just enough for a couple of slices. Okay, and then you can just cut some slices. Two or three slices are enough. We have 1 clove of garlic, so we just need to chop it. Chop it to smaller sizes. I'll just put this here so you can see it clearly how to chop the garlic. There are some techniques on how to chop garlic. This way I will show you how to do it 45 degrees, so from here to here, not the whole lot. So it's just basically 45 degrees. Return the garlic pieces here, and you just have to do it a couple of times until you think that the size is big enough or small enough. Chopped garlic is ready. Now we're ready to cook. Let's start cooking. First of all, put the olive oil. And remember to put the other ingredients one by one. Put the bakchoy here. Make sure that the heat is good. Okay. Now we can start putting the vegetables. We can arrange the bakchoy here. The smaller ones can be put just in the corner. Put some pieces of ginger here and also the baby spinach leaves. Top it up with the garlic that we have chopped before. This is going to be very, very delicious. And some more spinach on top. Oops, one more here. And then put mirin. A good splash of mirin. Mirin adds a little bit of sweetness into your sauteed spinach and bakchoy, just a little bit. And after that, remember to put the soy sauce, light soy sauce. Put a dash of sesame oil. I love it. It really adds the flavor. And then salt, pepper, cover it, and then you can cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes. After about 2 to 3 minutes, you can check it out, see whether it's ready. Here you go. Then you can turn it off. Don't overcook it because then it's not going to be nice. Oh, it smells divine. It smells really, really nice. Hi everyone, our sauteed spinach and bakchoy is ready. How delicious it is. Enjoy!